What's up guys, Andrew here, welcome back to the tutorial, and in this video I'm going to show you how to update Roblox on your PC or laptop. So once you're on your computer guys, you want to go ahead and find Roblox. So the first thing you want to do is understand how you install Roblox. Now this can be installed directly from your Roblox account online, or you can install it directly from the Microsoft Store. So if you have it installed from the Microsoft Store, you want to click the Windows key on your keyboard, and of course you want to go ahead and type in Store. Once you find the Microsoft Store, you want to go ahead and open up the Microsoft Store, and of course search for Roblox. Now once you're able to find Roblox there, you can easily update Roblox. Now what I'm going to do guys, I'm going to simply go ahead and type in Roblox, and if this is the way how you install the Roblox game guys, you'll be able to find the game here. And in your case, it would not say install it. It will not give you the button to install it, but it will give you the option to update it. So if there's a latest version available, you will be able to update it from here. Now if you've installed this from the main Roblox website, let me go ahead and open up my Roblox account. It is super easy to update it as well. Now the best way how to update it is that you need to go and find a game, of course, and then once you open up that game, you will be able to install Roblox on your computer. But before you're able to do this, because if I click on Roblox here and click on play, it will go ahead and start to play the game for me because I have the client already installed on my computer. So the first thing that you will have to do is open up your add and remove programs. I'm on Windows 11 here, but so I'm going to quickly go to install apps, and in this case all you have to do guys is just simple go ahead and find Roblox on your computer. So you would search for Roblox in the list, and once you type in Roblox, you will find a Roblox available on your computer, and to play that you want to look for the Roblox player. So from here, click the three dots and click on uninstall. Once you uninstall Roblox from your computer, what happened, just like how you first get the application, you will go ahead and click play, and once you click and play, it's going to open up, it's going to trigger, it's going to go ahead and open up and say it's going to try to get Roblox. As you can see, it says Roblox is currently ready, and you can see that it says download right here. As it says right here, download Roblox to play. You just want to click the download button from here in this case. So once you're able to click Roblox to download it, it's going to download on your computer, and all you have to do is run that exe file for this Roblox player here, and it's going to download the latest version of Roblox on your computer. And that's all there is to it. Once you install it and you open it, you'll be able to have the latest version of Roblox download and install on your computer. And that's how you go ahead and update Roblox on your PC guys. Very easy and very simple.